Hi all, this is the demo of cloud retrieval and storage task hosted by EXL in Hackerearth platform. Here we can upload different file formats to AWS, Azure and Google Cloud Storage. So this upload to cloud API will upload the file and will return the name of the file and the URL, that is blob URL of the file as well. For the mentioned cloud storage, we can mention here the name of the cloud, so that is Azure or AWS or GCP. Then the upload to cloud API will upload the files to the mentioned storage and will return you the respective blob name and the blob URL. So this upload zip to cloud will accept the zip files and will extract the files in it and store the each and every file inside that zip files. So the difference between this upload zip to cloud and upload to cloud API is this upload to cloud API will accept the zip file and store it as a zip file format, but this upload zip to cloud will extract the files inside the zip file and will store each and every files in that separately and will return the links for each and every file in that zip. And this download using name API will download the file from the mentioned cloud storage. Cloud storage we can download by using the name here. So you should give the blob name and storage pod, that is like where we want to store that, and the storage name. So values of the storage cloud name will be Azure storage or AWS or GCP. Next is download using link. So if you want to download any blob using link, because like for some clients we will not produce the name of the blob. We will give them the URL to download, because we will set the expiry time as well in the link. So for that purpose you can use this API, and by giving the blob link, storage path and the respective storage cloud name, we will download the file. So the download file will save in this path. So let me start from the demo. So this is like upload to cloud. So we have to choose a file which you want to upload. So first I will upload a single image and to Azure. See, we got that file name, that's the blob name, and the URL for that. You can download it, copy the name and go to the download using name API, give the name, check if the storage cloud name is right, and hit the button. See, so it is downloaded. And you can as well copy the link, go to the download using link and paste the link here. Make sure the link is in correct format. It should not have any special characters. So we have not yet uploaded this image to the GCP storage, and this link is not for GCP, this is for Azure. So we can't give GCP, give the Azure, and it is downloaded. In the same way, we have to repeat this. You can repeat this for other storage as well. So let me try with GCP. So I am now uploading it to the GCP storage, and I got both the blob name and the link for. So I'm going to download first using the name. So now it is downloaded, and we can use the link here. Sorry, just copy the link and Go to this download using link, give it as GCP. So we are giving the same storage path to store that, so it will be that file will be replaced again and again. So now let me show you the demo for AWS. Now we got the blob name and the URL. So now it will be like downloading, yeah, the same name, but the storage should be AWS. Now the link. So in my code, I have several functions wrote for three cloud, that is AWS, Azure and GCP, functions like to get the blob names, or even if you give the folder name, if you give the folder name for the like for any block, it will return you the name and link inside the folders as well, and you can create delete a container, and you can upload down like download all files in the container, or like download only the files in the mentioned folder name. For example, in Azure, which follows the virtual hierarchy, so if we give any subfolder name there, it will like there will two functions. One we can use to get the URL in that, and using that URL we can write an API to download all the URLs, like which will accept the list of dictionaries. So for here we are giving only one URL, but there is a function I wrote as like get blob URL in list of dict format. So if we provide the list of dictionaries by in that, it should be like URL and the blob name, it will download all the files in that subfolder. Now like I will show you how zip file is working. So if you if you use this upload zip to cloud, this will extract and save the files first in local storage, and then that each and every file in local storage will be uploaded to the mentioned cloud. Mm. The file size was too big, so it took like few more seconds to download. So this will be the file. This will be like the zip file name, and this will be the blob name, blob URL. If you want the blob name for this file, so the blob name is nothing but this cat21.jpg. So this is a blob name. So you can get the blob name from here or the blob URL from here. Now you can use the URL in the same download using link or download using name API, and we can download the respective files.